It's time for you to eat some foam. Thank you, Wicked Vision, for sending us these Mega Bounce XL toys for free. I can't wait to open them. What do you think, Mika?
Just open it.
Okay.
I can't wait to try out my new skin. Let me change. Oh, my new skin is so beautiful. I like it so much. I need to show him. What is he pumping up? It looks like a giant ball. What are you doing out there?
What? Mika, you're supposed to be protecting me. Why didn't you bark?
What? That's your job, not mine.
Oh, whatever.
Oh, he blasted me. I guess he didn't recognize me because of my new skin. It's okay, I will give him another chance.
Oh, this is so awesome. Hey, Mika, look. Check it out. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks good.
You're right. All right, let me put this down over here and then open the box and pump up this one.
Oh, I just love this skin so much. I wonder what he's doing now. He's got a red one too? Hello?
Huh, again?
Wait, don't shoot. It's me.
Oh, it's you. I didn't recognize you.
Yeah, I got a new skin. Do you like it?
Yeah, but it's very scary.
It's supposed to be like that. What are you doing over there?
I just finished inflating these Mega Bounce XLs. Let me just put this piece in real quick. There we go. Aren't these awesome?
They are. Can I see one?
Sure, here you go.
This is wonderful. Let's go play with them.
What about me? Huh? This is so much fun!
Roll it to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So much fun.
Yeah.
Let's take them on the trampoline.
Good idea. Throw them to me.
All right.
Enough fun. It's time to blast you. Now that's what I call a Mega Bounce. She's gonna be respawning soon. I better take cover.
My new skin is all dirty. I need to change back to my old one. Oh, that's much better. Where is my blaster? Here it is. Now you will get it. You think you can hide from me? You can't. I'll find you. Where are you hiding, chicken? I see you. Get up.
Huh? All right. You know what? I'm not afraid of you.
That's not gonna help you.
You're wrong. I blocked it.
So what? You got lucky. Plug this.
Yeah, it's impossible for you to get me.
Oh yeah? Nothing is impossible.
Blasting me is.
Alright. Plug this. You see, nothing is impossible.
Darn, she got me. I'm gonna need something big. There it is. My super blaster. Oh yeah? So now who's the chicken? Let's battle!
The Nerfer is on.
Whoa! It's time for you to eat some foam.
You first. Wow, what happened? I should hide.
Whoa! I blew up the Mega Bounce! There's no point in hiding from me. I'm gonna catch you.
This is for messing up my new skin.
Yeah, I'm gonna mess up this skin too. You lost.
Hey guys, you need to stop fighting.
Mika is right. We should not fight. We should have fun.
Okay, Mika, the Nerf war is over.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
What is that? What is he doing? I need to find out.
I got you.
What are you playing with?
VentFun sent us some of their game swatters for free and I'm having fun with it.
Oh, wow. That looks like a lot of fun. Can I try it?
Sure, there's one right there.
It looks like a small tennis racket.
You're right, but it's electric, so be careful.
Okay. Oh, cool. No more mosquitoes.
And no more flies.
You know what I'm thinking?
Yeah, swatter battle. Yeah, I'm the winner of the swatter battle. I better take cover. She's gonna be respawning soon.
Let's see if your game swatter can handle my Nerf Fortnite blaster. Now it's time to get blasted.
Where is she?
Show yourself, chicken.
I'm not a chicken. I'm ready for you. Come on. Yeah, see, you can't hit me.
Oh yeah? Watch this.
I'm too fast for you.
Darn.
I blocked it.
Yeah! You lost.
Oh, you used your Nerf Fortnite blaster? Well, I'm gonna use my Nerf Fortnite blaster too. Wait, I should change into my Fortnite skin first. The Nerf battle is on!
He has probably respawned by now. I better hide. Where should I go? I guess this will work.
Now it's a fair fight. Are you ready? Where is she?
I'm here.
Whoa,
Darn it.
you missed. I'm better than you.
Yeah, right. Better at bragging.
I'll get you. Get wrecked.
You first. Just admit it, you can't win.
Says who? You? Whoa!
Alien scum.
Oh, sorry, Jackson. You're hiding? I guess we know who the chicken is now.
You're one rotten egg.
Blah, 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 blah.
Girls are better at Nerf paddles.
Yeah, right. Boys are the best.
Hey!
Don't mess with my flowers.
And never brag again. Oh, my beautiful flowers, you're safe now.